What? Sorry, can't hear you, man. Hair dryer, go, bro. Cool story, bro. Cool story, bro. But it's Halloween. Who cares? Yeah. What the fuck? Oh my god, I keep freezing up every time I'm about. Yeah, Peroni. That boy disappeared. Finally!
Where? What? Where? We can't do magic without our precious little millstones. What? Where? We can't do magic without our precious little millstones.
What a bunch of babies. Oh man, vibe officially ruined. Epic sigh. Now you're red. Glad you warmed up. Oh my god. There you are. I couldn't see you from up here. Oh my goodness.